Welcome my dear students for online class from Manikeshwar LL Model High School. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper for the SSC students. Today's topic, changing sentence. Dear students, going to next step one by one. Class 10, subject, English, second paper, changing sentence, Kumilla Board, 2015. Question A, health is wealth, complex. Dear students, notice carefully. Is this sentence simple? Exactly, this sentence is simple because one subject, one finite verb is called simple sentence. Health is wealth, subject health, and is wealth, predicate. Dear students, notice predicate qualifies. If predicate qualifies subject, you have to come who is that? Who is that according to subject in the complex sentence. Simple to complex. Firstly, you have to write. It is. IS. And then you have to write subject from this sentence. In this sentence, subject health. You can write HEALTH, health. This subject is not personal pronoun, personal subject. It is not personal subject. So you have to use who is or that after health. WHICH, who is, and then you have to write the next part of this sentence is wealth. You have to write is wealth. IS is WEALTH is wealth. It has been complex. The students, you can change into complex by using this formula. It is subject, who is that, next part of that sentence. If the predicate qualifies subject, you have to use this formula while changing into complex. While changing into complex from simple. Going to next step. A healthy man is happier than a sick, moneyed man. A healthy man is happier than a sick, moneyed man. In Bengali meaning, a healthy man, একজন স্বাস্থ্যবান লোক, is happier, অধিক সুখী, than a sick moneyed man. অর্থাৎ অর্থশালী একজন অসুস্থ অর্থশালী ব্যক্তির চেয়ে একজন স্বাস্থ্যবান ব্যক্তি অধিক সুখী। The students, we have to change into positive according to the order by Kumilla, by the authority by Kumilla board. The students, if you firstly you have to identify, is this sentence comparative or compound? The students are comparative or superlative. The students, notice this sentence carefully. Happier plus than. Happier means adjective to and plus than. Adjective to plus than. Adjective to plus than. That is to say, we call this sentence is comparative, and we have to change into comparative to positive. The students, comparative to positive. First, you have to write a sick moneyed man. First, you have to write a sick moneyed man after that. A SICK, sick, MONEYED, moneyed, MAN, man, moneyed man. A sick moneyed man. And you have to set auxiliary verb according to this sentence. The students, notice here auxiliary verb is a sick moneyed man, a sick money, MONEYD, moneyed man. And this subject is singular, so you have to use is, is, and the sentence is affirmative. You have to, being sentence is affirmative, you have to change into negative. Being sentence is negative, you have to change into affirmative. So you have to set negative word not, 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 and then you have to change into adjective. You have to set adjective 1. You have to set as or so. The students, notice carefully. If the sentence is affirmative, you have to set as. If the sentence is negative, you have to set so. According to these rules, according to the speech, you have to set as, ASS, because this sentence is affirmative. So you have to set as, and then you have to set adjective 1 instead of happier. You have to set happy instead of happier. HAPPY, happy, ASS, and then you have to set again, you have to set as, and you have to write subject in this sentence. A healthy man, HALTHY, healthy, MAN, man. The students, this sentence has been positive. If you change into positive, if you can change into positive by using this formula. Going to next step. Question C. Though a healthy man is an asset to his family, an unhealthy man is a liability. The students' question in this sentence, simple or complex. You have to identify, is this sentence simple or complex, and you have to change it to compound according to this order, according to the order. So you notice carefully in this sentence, though this is the conjunction of complex sentence. So this sentence is complex sentence because two subject and two finite verb in this sentence. Two subject and two finite verb in this sentence. Though the students, though a healthy man is an asset to his family, this is subordinate clause. An unhealthy man is a liability. This is principal clause. Liability, this is principal clause. So, if you find the tools, although in the complex sentence, you have to come, while changing into compound sentence, you have to come, but yet. The students, you will always use but while changing into compound instead of though. You have to use but instead of though. The students, you can write in your exercise book. Firstly, you have to write a healthy man is an asset to his family, because but is used before principal clause. An unhealthy man is a liability is subordinate clause. So is principal clause. So you have to write firstly this clause. A healthy man is an asset to his family. Healthy, MAN man is an asset to HIS FAMILY, and then you have to set BUT but instead of comma and instead of though. Instead of though, you have to use but instead of comma, and you have to write the next part of the sentence. An unhealthy man is a liability. ANUNHEALTHY, unhealthy. Man is a LIABILITY. The students, this sentence has been compound. You can change into complex to compound by using this formula. Although complex, compound, but yet, by using this formula, you can change into compound in this way. Question D. He can succeed in life. Interrogative. Dear students, you have to sense into interrogative. You know that auxiliary verb. While sensing into interrogative, you have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. You have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. And the sentence is affirmative, you have to set negative. And the sentence is negative, you have to set affirmative. So dear students, question, is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Yes, my dear students, auxiliary verb can in this sentence. So can, you have to bring can after before subject, he. Before subject, he. First you have to write can, and you have to add negative word in brief, n can't. Can't he succeed in life. SUCCED, succeed in LIFE. This means this sentence has been interrogative. You can sense into interrogative by using this formula. Interrogative, and you have to use question marks at the end of the sentence. Question marks. Can't he succeed in life? Question marks. Going to next step. So everybody, so this is connector. Everybody cannot but be conscious of his health. Affirmative. Dear students, you have to sense into affirmative from negative. Dear students, if you find these two phrase cannot but, you have to sense into affirmative. You have to cut this phrase and you have to set must instead of this phrase. Instead of this phrase, can, instead of can, not but. This one first you have to write S also EVERY, BODY, everybody. The students cannot but, you have to set must instead of cannot but. CANNOT not, BUT but. And then there is no sense in this sentence, and there is no sense in this sentence. You have to write next part of this sentence. Cannot, the students must, 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 and you have to write next part of this sentence. B CONSCIOUS of HISS ACALTS. In this way, you can sense into affirmative by using this formula. Going to next step. F. Everybody must take care of his health all the time. Negative. This means there is no difference E and M. Just negative and affirmative. Just negative and affirmative. Question E was negative and F is. Question E is negative and F is affirmative. So you have to change it to negative. In this way, there is no difference. But the students notice, everybody must, you notice must. This is the tools. If you find must in a sentence, you have to change into, you have to come, cannot but, cannot help plus beyond plus ing. The students, easy phrase cannot but. Instead, you have to use, first you have to write everybody, and then you have to cannot but instead of must. And there is no sense in this sentence. Okay, my dear students, you can write E-B-E-R-Y, every, B-O-D-Y, everybody, C-A-N, can, N-O-T, not, B-U-T, but, cannot but, and you have to write next part of the sentence, take care of his health all the time. T-A-K-E, take, C-A-R-E, care of, H-I-S, his, H-E-A-L-T-S, health, A-L-L, all the, T-I-M-E, time. Dear students, this sentence has been negative. You can change into negative from affirmative by using these rules. Going to next step. Question G. Health can be improved by regular physical exercise and a balanced diet. Active. Dear students, you know the rules of voices, active to passive. G. Firstly, you have to write, the students, question. Is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Dear students, yes, my dear students. There is an auxiliary verb in this sentence, can. This is auxiliary verb. And this is modal auxiliary verb. So extra word is be, and this is principal verb and within. The student notice, firstly you have to notice by plus subject. This one by plus subject in this. There is a by plus subject in this sentence. The students, first you have to write, firstly you have to write, you have to cut, you have to cancel by to add, etc. And then you have to write regular physical exercise and a balanced diet after by. First you have to write R-E-G-U-L-A, regular, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, and A, B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced diet, D-I-E-T, balanced diet. The students, you have to bring object, you have to set up subject, after you have to set up object as subject, after by to add, cutting by to add, and then you have to write next part of this sentence after by to add, and then you have to use auxiliary verb can, C-A-N, can, and you have to cut extra word B. If you cut extra word B, you have to set B1 instead of B3. You have to set B1 instead of B3. Just so notice, improved, B1 improved. You have to cut D from improved. IMPROVE, improved. And then you have to set subject. The students, subject help after verb, after principal verb. ACALTS. The students, regular physical exercise and a balanced diet can improve health. The students, this sentence has been active. You can change it to active by using this formula. Going to next step. The people who are poor cannot afford to take a balanced diet. Simple. The students, question, is this sentence complex or compound? Surely you have guessed this sentence is complex because who is a conjunction of complex. So this sentence is complex sentence. And two subject and two finite verb in this sentence. So this sentence is complex sentence. You have to change into simple from complex. You have to change into simple from complex sentence. The students, firstly, notice who plus verb plus adjective. Subject who plus verb plus adjective. What is the position of the adjective? What is the position? Where sits adjective? Where is the position adjective? The students, adjective before use subject, noun. Adjective is used before noun. The students, this is noun, people. So first you have to write the and this word poor, you have to set before people. You have to set before people. First you can write while changing into simple. You have to come adjective plus noun. This is the formula, adjective plus noun. The students, you can write is the, and the students, you have to cut who and be verbs are. You have to cut who and are. And this adjective, you have to bring this adjective before people. Set people, P-O-O-R, people, poor, P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Adjective plus noun. This is the formula of simple sentence. And then you have to write next part of the sentence. Cannot afford to take a balanced diet. C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, A-F-F-O-R-D, afford to T-A-K-E, take. A, B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balance. B-I-E-T, balanced diet. This sentence has been simple from complex. While changing into simple from complex, you can use formula of simple sentence. This formula, the name of the formula is adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. Just to notice, poor people. Adjective plus noun. The poor people. The poor people. I. Going to next step. They are very concerned about the quality of food. Exclamatory. Students, if you find very great really, you have to come. How applies what? But if a great, if you do not find a article, a applies n. A is used before very, so you have to come how? What plus a applies n. You have to come what plus a applies n. If you find a plus article a plus very, you have to come what plus a applies n. If you find only very, you have to come how. Students, first we have to write how instead of very. H-O-W, how. And then you have to next part after very. C-O-N, con, C-E-R-N-E-D, A-B-O-U-T, about, Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y, quantity of food, F-O-O-D. And then you have to set subject and verb of this sentence. Here subject and verb, they are. T-A-C-Y, they, A-R-E-R. And you have to set exclamation marks at the end of the sentence. The student, this sentence has been exclamatory. How concerned about quality of food they are. How concerned about quantity of food they are. The students, this sentence has been exclamatory. You can change into exclamatory from assertive by using this formula. Going to next step. J. Notice carefully, my dear students. Everybody should know it that malnutrition causes weakness. Dear students, two clauses, we notice two clauses in this sentence. First clause, everybody should know it, and second clause, malnutrition causes weakness. You have to sense into both of the clauses. You have to use the rules, the general rule of voice sense both of these clauses. Dear students, firstly you have to write subject and verb and object is clause. Firstly, this is subject, everybody, and this is auxiliary verb, should. This is modal auxiliary verb. So you have to use set up. You have to use or set up extra word be. And no, it is. This is principal verb and this is object. This is conjunction and this is subject, malnutrition, and this is verb, and weakness, object. This one first you have to write in this way. You have to bring object. The students, object it, it, and you have to set auxiliary verb. This is auxiliary verb. Should, here should is auxiliary verb, so you have to set SHOULD, should, and you have to set auxiliary extra word be after modal auxiliary verb, should, BEB, and you have to set B3 instead of B1. You have to set B3 instead of B1. You have to set no, new, known, KNOW, known, 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 and preposition. This is subject, but this is preposition to is used before, after this verb and according to the rules of voices. So you have to set to, and then you have to write subject, you have to write object, you have to write subject as object. Everybody, you have to write everybody, object everybody. EVERY, everybody, and then you have to set that, THAT, that. Notice in this clause, this is subject, this is verb, and this is object. So first you have to write weakness, object, as subject. WEAKNESS, weakness, and this verb is, there is no auxiliary in this clause. So you have to search B1, B1 plus S or yes, or B2. Dear students, B1 plus S or yes. Causes S, B1 plus S. So you have to bring extra word, am, is, are. So weakness is abstract idea. So you have to use is, actually subject, is. And you have to set B3 instead of B1 plus S or yes. You have to cut S and you have to add D, cost, CAUSED, CAUSED, cost, by malnutrition. And you have to set by B, by MAL, mal, NUTRITION. This means this sentence has been passive in this way. You can change into passive by using this formula, by using this source. The students, thanks for all. Thanks for all. My dear students, I hope you have stood better and you have stood, you have understood better each sentence. Kumilla Board 2015. The students, today till this, have a good day. See you next time. I will request, if you like my teaching and it helps you, it benefits you, please share or subscribe.